Hell yeah, nigga.
Hey, I don't post, but Tudor J it's on the whip. So.
I'm about to put it on there.
Hey, I'm gonna get more consistent though for sure. My camera just broke, so I can't reach
We downtown with it too. Y'all, this shit hard and nigga on pictures. I'm seeing it in person. So I can hear it from outside.
That's what's up.
It had a flat tire, so we just flipped it over and drove home on the ground.
Oh my God. Damn. This person way. Oh, he got a 5.7, I think. I know this nigga probably can't see it, but it's like, damn, this bitch look hard. You wanna cut the lights on so you can see?
Oh shit.
To help a little more, yeah, the fog light. Yeah, this bitch clean. All right, how you like it?
Man, that been nice, boy. Sound good, feel good, comfortable on the inside, look good on the inside.
Comfy, huh?
Comfy, ride nice and smooth. Man, looking over that hood look good too, I ain't gonna lie.
What, this hood scoop?
Yeah, that scoop look good. Look nice. Got a little pull to it.
A little bit.
I didn't know you were recording this one.
You good, you good. Never seen this before in my life. I seen this one. Oh, this a Lotus. You on my channel, man. You got bags or you got lower springs? Ooh, oh, that's that noise was. Okay. You ain't got to get it washed. It's already clean. I know, right? Right on time. Oh, yeah, she looking back for you, dog. Oh man.
We're back in the aisle. This car is bougie, bro.
Oh, I hear somebody.
I think he's trying to cool us. So.
Oh, yeah, the chance to.
Yeah,
Oh. Oh no, this shit do sound like some bullshit. made me like the Cybertruck a lot better. I didn't know it could do that. The car is really dancing. If the door is open, I'ma lose it. Bro, if the fucking door is open, I'ma lose it. I ain't gonna.
Hey, y'all, don't mind the engine. Oh, let me get my shit. Or don't mind the engine bay right now.
Don't mind the engine.
It's dirty because this car literally sat for 5 months. But, oh, bro, this is the first delivery.
That nigga said don't mind the engine like he got some little shit or something.
It is some little shit.
Bro, talk your shit, bro. Pop your shit, bro.
I'm humble, bro.
Nigga, you
know I'm humble.
and that's what's up. But at the same time, my nigga, you work hard for this bitch.
Very hard.
Very hard, my nigga.
Very
you
hard.
deserve all the shit talking, bro.
No, that's what I'm gonna go. You know Summit, right?
Oh shit. So he about to let me have this bitch.
Watch out.
First off, damn, that shit tough. So this is my first time, motherfucking. I'm about to start a HELLCAT. What the fuck?
Oh, that's the coolant.
Damn.
It wasn't hot. I thought somebody threw a drink in the air.
Damn. Oh.
Where'd that go? We figured out where that go. We take this bitch. Oh, okay. Don't piss me off, bro. He said, no. Watch out, bro. Don't, please, don't. What do you want? No action. Pull up in this bitch. You pulling up in this bitch? Tap that motherfucker. Ow!
Hit that bitch. God damn! Oh shit! Oh god damn! Bro, this shit crazy.
That motherfucker running, nigga.
Yo, them bitches move, boy. God damn.
Hey, you gotta do that bitch one more time.
Nah.
I swear.
I'm going home, bro.
I swear.
No,
one
we
more
gonna run
time
that bitch.
for him.
Hell no, I'm not fucking with that.
That ain't
That nigga said, I
that
gotta
ain't
live here.
fit
You
that
don't. You gonna give me a truck. Bro, god damn. Oh, bro, this nigga hit that. Oh my fucking god. Oh, this bitch moved, bro. God
I get
damn.
that wine on that bitch.
Man, for real.
These niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?